fine. Okay, so first here here you draw this okay, now here you draw one circle. First make a circle, aram se, okay? You guess what character it is. Who tell first what character it is? Okay, first make a circle. Okay, and the same things I tell you. Head, torso, pelvis. So this character like a their movement like this is a head, right? This movement like this. I tell you. This is line of action. This is line of action. First make circle and then the line of action, the spinal cords. Line of action, like this is line of action. Okay, one line, very simple curve line. Do this. First circle and then very simple curve line like this, very lightly. This is not required in drawing, but for the like grammar I use in this. This is the line of action. See, this is one line is coming. No, this is where. So this is actually I need the character is doing like this. Now the next steps. I do the next circle over here. See the same things I draw over here. Next circle over here. And another circle I draw here. I do the three circles. 1, 2, 3. Is that difficult or? Let's check. This is pua and he. I already done this character name he. This the character name he. And I do the pua. Hey. This is hey. This is a hey actually. Yeah, hey. Okay, and I do the pua. Pua is the one P, that characters where founder didn't take to. Yeah, now we're going to the next steps. Okay, just do this. Okay, we are going to this like line here. Make like this line, one, aram se, okay, make this line like this. And here you can create one oval, okay. So first we are making the circle, three circle like this, okay. One circle, two circle, three circle is very simple. And then I make here one oval kind of things, okay. Now let's check. I just make it one oval over here. See first you imagine what character it is. Anybody's imagine? Yes, is a pig is a pig for yes. It's a pig. It's a pig from Moana. Okay, make this first. This one. Aram se, take time. And you just join this. Join this tree line. One. Then join line this. And join this three oval. Okay, join this three. Yeah, it's named Pua. Pua from Moana. Yes. So join that line, okay, Pua. Right. So you can create the three circle first, 1, 2, 3, and now take time, aram se. So it is circle like this, no? I make it circle. Now here from this torso, I just make it one leg like this. Okay. Like this, one leg from torso, and from pelvis, this is the head, torso, pelvis, head, torso, pelvis. From pelvis, I just do one line, one, one leg and two legs. Is easy or difficult? Just like this. Okay, there are two hands and two legs. Okay, so let's I just make first that much parts. Okay, aram se take time. This part is very important. Then it's very easy to draw the rest of the part. Okay, so stop. Okay, so next step is that I just create over here. Here, this area, I just create over here one eyes. Okay, fine. So eyes like this. Okay, here. Okay, here. So nose, eyes, and ear the same position. So I can create nose, eyes, and ear the same proportion. Okay, beta. So what you create over here? Make it eyes like this. One curved line and one curved line like this. See, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, like this. And here you can create the eyeball. Okay, eyeball. It's very funny. And this is the eyebrow. Okay, you can draw the eyebrow like this. Aram se. Take time. Okay, and this piggy is actually very small, so that's why this ear is a very big. So make it one curve like this and one curve like this. That big ear you can do. Yeah, you can do like this. Hello, the prince are here. Are you not joined today, man? Sure. Oh, no problem. Not issue. Not issue. Okay, tomorrow the same time. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So go ahead do like this. Two big ear. This is a big ear. Okay. The ear is done. So you can erase this part. See, you can understand that. Okay, this is 2 ear. And you can erase this part also. It's inside the circles and all those. See how to use. After the drawing, you can erase your this construction line. Okay, no need to construction line. So now after that, so this is pelvis. From pelvis, you are draw the one leg. So I can create that leg like this. One. This is like an M. See, this is like an M. M. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N. M. This M like this. So add the leg of here. Okay, one leg over here. Another M. Another again the M. The feet like this. M. Okay. And this is the mouth like this. That much bigger. Okay. These are very cute characters, you know. Pig is not that dirty. This is very cute. In this Moana, they are showing it's very cute. So now the tail over here. Okay. Yes. Now, just this is the leg I already draw. So now, just make it leg like this. From this circle, I start the leg. One. See, very simple. Here also the same thing. See, like this. You can see the leg. Leg that much. So we can do this another leg also over here like this. The same aim apply aim. Okay, fine. And I can make some structure in this body like this. Okay, some structure like this inside. So it's now the time. It is actually that is like you can make some stone. See, I just make some stone like this. It just standing on stove and it's a shadow. I put the shadows. Okay, very simple and nice character it is. So you can go ahead to you take time. Okay, after that I erase it. Okay, I do this first. Okay, line and then I erase it. Fine. So make it like this. So when I am making this outlining, at times you guys are understand very clearly what is happening. It looks very pretty. It's a very piggy, so innocent. Okay. So you can create the little feather in like little fall effect, not feather, fall effect, like this. Around there, okay, take time. I just give me more 5 minutes after the finish, or if you finish. You guys are very smartly draw nowadays. Every day, do not take time lots. You guys are really awesome. So do like this. Okay. So I make it here. I make it here. Okay. And here I can create this line. Simple strokes can use over here. And here I can create that yeah, I do the color for that, okay, don't worry. And I make here the shadow. Okay. Maybe it's very close to the ocean, so I can make this ocean. You know this Moana is mostly the ocean, the shooting mostly ocean, right? Like this. So after the drawing, okay, I'll finish this. Erase the pencil line. Okay, it's not neat. So after the pencil line, it looks more better. So all construction line, pencil line, but remember we start from the circle. Okay? You remember that is very important. Why I start drawing when I start the drawing, that's time. Circle. Yeah. Okay, here outline. So you can make the P. Okay, we are doing one more drawing. So I make it. You just finish it off. I make it little. I say this video tutorials YouTube, mother mobile. You just watch it and make it color. No need to color now. You can color at home. I show another drawing now. Okay. I make it little fast. This is the homework. Color is the homework. Okay. Just you watch the movie because I say the tutorials. Okay. Everybody make color at home. It is I just show this color you can put. Okay, I say in your mother mobile to watch and draw the color. Here no need to color. Here I do the next drawing after 2 minutes. Okay, I finish the color next 2 minutes. Okay, so don't worry. We at least covered 3 drawings, so it's good. Sorry, beta. Your own drawing? Yeah, this is fine. You can create your own drawing. I just show one drawing. Who's want to own drawing? Please make your own drawing after that. Okay? I just show first. This is very nice if you create your own drawing every week. Yeah. If you create your own drawing, it's good only. You can practice your own drawing always. Okay, that is actually help lot. It's your own drawing creative practice very nice. ক্লাস দিচ্ছি অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি তো ম্যাথ লিখেছি জানি আমাদের এখন স্যালারি হয় সোমবার হবে শনিবার পড়ে গেছে মাঝখানে এই জন্য হ্যাঁ তো আমি মেসেজ করলাম এর জন্য না আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি কালকে করতে পারি না আজকে সকালে মেসেজটা লিখলাম তুই পাঠিয়েছিস আমি ভাবলাম যে পাঠিয়ে দেবো ঢুকে যাবে কালকে কিন্তু সাধারণত ঢুকে না শুক্রবারে ঢুকলো না আমার সোমবারে ঢুকে যাবে ঠিক আছে এই জন্য আমি কালকে ওয়েট করছিলাম একদম সোমবার হ্যাঁ মেসেজ করবো Okay. Yes, beta. Yeah, you can create imaginative drawing. Yes, you can create imaginative drawing. You can create. Just a minute, I just finish it off, and I tell you, I can help you. Okay. How to create imaginative drawing. Okay. So this is I see the drawing. This is a famous character. Okay. Now the time to draw your own drawing. If anybody is not getting idea, they can draw. Again, my drawing. I also make this my own drawing. You also draw your own drawing. Okay. Fine. Next, your time starts. Okay.